What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to show you what is the free plan limit for the Freshsales CRM platform. So if you want to exactly know how it works, just to be specific, at the moment there is no free plan. You can always try a free demo of the accounts. For example, if you want to go and have a demo for the growth account, you can avail that. For the pro, there's just different demo, and for the enterprise level there is different one. For example, over here, if you guys can see it, I have selected the demo and I'm in the trial period that will end in the 21 days. So after that, I have to buy a plan. I cannot, use the free plan because there is no free plan in here. But if you want me to, compare all these plans, it comes into different categories and it's a bit subjective as well. So for the $11 plan, and I've clicked on the monthly because I want just to be realistic that it will cost $11 per month per user. And if I want to go with the annual budget, and that would say $9. So if I go down, it shows includes Kanban view for the contacts, accounts and deals, contacts lifecycle stages, built-in chat, email forms, email templates, and custom fields, basic workflows, contextual collaboration with the Slack, product catalog, curated reports, Freshworks, Marketplace, 1CPQ license, mobile app, 24/5 support. So if I go to the other side, if I go compare the pro plan, it says contact scoring by Freddy AI. It doesn't go with the AI for the basic plan. Custom sales activity, advanced custom fields, auto assignment rules, territory management, and a lot bunch of stuff. And if you're looking for the enterprise level, then you will be better be able to understand the concept if you book a meeting with them directly. So this is pretty much it for the comparison between different sort of accounts and different sort of subscription. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.